If you have only $15 in your pocket and you want to buy a pair of wireless earbuds, you might think that you have no good options. But what if I told you that there is a brand that offers decent sound quality, long battery life, and a sleek design for less than the price of a pizza? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's what I thought too, until I tried the Hoppup Predator Xo3 earbuds. In this video, I'm going to review these budget-friendly earbuds and see if they are worth your money or not. So subscribe to the Tech Critic and stay tuned till the end, because you might be surprised by what I found out. The first thing you'll notice about the Hoppup Predator Xo3 earbuds is their unique and eye-catching design. They have a sleek and futuristic look, and they come in two colors, black and yellow. They also have a distinctive shape, with a curved and angled stem that fits snugly in your ears. The earbuds are lightweight and comfortable, and they come with 3 different sizes of ear tips to ensure a perfect fit. They also have an IPX4 rating, which means they are resistant to sweat and splashes, so you can use them for workouts or outdoor activities. The earbuds have touch controls on the sides, which allow you to play, pause, skip tracks, adjust volume, answer or reject calls, and activate voice assistants. They also have a special feature called Rage Mode, which you can activate by tapping 3 times on the left earbud. This mode reduces the latency to 35 milliseconds, which is ideal for gaming, as it ensures a smooth and lag-free audio synchronization with your device. You can also switch back to normal mode by tapping 3 times again. The earbuds come with a matching charging case, which is also black and red, and has a magnetic lid and a USB-C port. The case is compact and portable, and it can charge the earbuds up to 4 times, giving you a total of 50 hours of playtime. The case also has 4 LED indicators to show the battery level, and it supports fast charging, which means you can get 90 minutes of playtime with just 10 minutes of charging. Now, let's talk about the sound quality of the Hoppup Predator Xo3 earbuds. These earbuds have 13mm drivers, which deliver a powerful and balanced sound, with clear highs, mids, and lows. They also have a feature called Bomberz Sound, which boosts the bass and makes the sound more immersive and punchy. You can activate this feature by tapping twice on the right earbud, and you can also turn it off by tapping twice again. The sound quality of these earbuds is impressive, especially for the price. They can handle any genre of music, from rock, pop, hip-hop to classical. And they can also produce realistic and detailed sound effects for games and movies. The earbuds also have a dual mic setup, which provides a clear and noise-free calling experience. The mics can pick up your voice well, and also cancel out the background noise, so you can have crisp and smooth conversations. Finally, let's see how the Hoppup Predator Xo3 earbuds perform in gaming. As I mentioned earlier, these earbuds have a low latency mode, which reduces the delay between the audio and the video and gives you a more responsive and seamless gaming experience. This mode is especially useful for games that require quick reactions and coordination, such as shooters, racers, or fighters. You can easily activate this mode by tapping 3 times on the left earbud, and you can also deactivate it by tapping 3 times again. I tested these earbuds with some popular games such as PUBG, Call of Duty, and Asphalt 9, and I was very impressed by the results. The earbuds delivered a smooth and lag-free audio, with no noticeable delay or distortion. The sound was also very immersive and realistic, with rich and dynamic sound effects such as gunshots, explosions, engine sounds, and more. The earbuds also provided a good spatial awareness, which helped me to locate the enemies and the objectives. The earbuds also stayed comfortable and secure in my ears, even after long hours of gaming. So, what do I think of the Hoppup Predator Xo3 earbuds? Well, I think they are amazing. They have a unique and attractive design, a long and fast battery life, a touch control system, a low latency mode, a bass boost mode, a dual mic setup, and a great sound quality. They are also very affordable, as they cost only $15 or 999 rupees, which is a steal for what they offer. They are definitely one of the best budget gaming earbuds in the market right now, and I highly recommend them to anyone who is looking for a pair of wireless earbuds that can give them a great gaming and music experience. So, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you want to see more gadget review videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, The Tech Critic, and hit the bell icon to get notified of my latest uploads. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe.